The Saskatchewan Health Authority patient booking system was developed with you in mind. The patient booking system now allows you to book your COVID-19 vaccination or influenza vaccination online in a few easy steps. All you will need is your health card number, your name, birth date, and either a valid email address or cell phone number. Click on the link to get to the booking system. Read and accept the terms of use, and you are ready to begin. For what person, ensure individual appointment is selected. You will be asked to review the vaccine fact sheets and give your consent. Enter your health card number as it appears on your card, date of birth, and first and last names. The system is designed to verify a person's eligibility as their appointment is booked and will display options accordingly. You can select the next available date and time at the clinic of your choice, or select a specific date and time that works best with your schedule. Enter your contact information, remembering that an email address or cell phone number is required. All your personal information is kept safe and secure. All that is left is to confirm your details, ensuring your contact information is correct. Once Confirm and Book is selected, you will receive an email and/or text message confirming your appointment, as well as a reminder as the day approaches. If you need help or an extra level of assistance, call our Sask Booking Department at 1-833-727-5829.